Hello students, today's topic is reflection of light. Reflection of light is a specific phenomena of the light. लाइट का एक गुण होता है कि जब वो किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट से टकराती है तो वो बाउंस बैक हो जाती है. यही प्रॉपर्टी को ऊपर बोलते हैं रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. नाउ सी, दिस इज द प्लेन मिरर or a plane surface, and it is a very plain shining surface. That's why we are getting regular reflection. Okay, when light incident on a reflecting surface, it bounces back to the same medium. When light comes and bounce back to the same medium, this phenomena is known as reflection of light and follows the same path. Means if light coming through this path, it will follow the same path. This is called principle of reversibility. Okay, means when the light come with particular angle 30 degree, 40 degree, with normal angle should be measured. Angle must be measured with normal. So angle measured with normal. If angle given with base, you can't use, but if given base you can do 90 minus whatever the x. Okay, you will get the angle of incidence, and angle of incidence always equal to the angle of reflection. The incident ray, reflected ray and normal lie at the same point on the plane. When the light comes through the normal is a perpendicular line or perpendicular plane. It can be imaginary, which is perpendicular to plane. If light coming through perpendicular path, it follows the same path, reflected back to the same path like this. If light coming like this, it will go bounces back to the same medium with no angle. Angle I equals to 0, angle R equals to 0. Because this point will be at this. This point will be at this. So you will get angle I 0, angle R 0. Because incident ray is the same path, reflected ray will be the same path. So when light comes through some angle with the normal, it follows the same angle while reflection. The angle of incidence always equal to angle of reflection. If angle of incidence 50 degree, angle of reflection is 50 degree. If the angle measured with the surface 40 degree, you subtract 40 minus 90 minus 40, you will get the 50 degree. Okay, and this is 90 degree. This total is 90 degree. So this is you have to show inward arrow. This is the incident ray. This is the normal. This is the reflected ray. This is the angle of incidence. This is the angle of reflection, and angle I, angle R, and this is the silvery polished reflecting surface, and this is the point of coincidence. Means the incident ray, reflected ray and normal lie at the same point on the plane. So when we see any object in our surrounding, this is the reason rays after reflection touches the retina and we get the sensory nerves through the brain and we get the image. So reflection of light is what? When light strikes the shining surface or silvery polished surface, it bounces back to the same medium in such a manner angle I equals to angle R. Bye bye students.